One of the most simplest and functional mods you can do on these VA WRXs is actually on the inside of the car, and it's JDM. A common complaint about this generation of the WRX is the positioning of the center armrest. Many just find it a bit too low and practically unusable. While there is an OEM option to install an armrest extender, you can opt for something I find a little bit more functional and practical: the JDM dual console center armrest, which are included on all the WRXs in Japan. Nani? This armrest increases the height of the center console while adding an extra storage compartment for all your small trinkets. As you can see, the instructions are all in Japanese, so you know this is legit. First, let's head over to the back of the car and remove this plastic cover, which comes off pretty easily with the trim piece remover. If you have cup holders, be sure to fold them out first. Then there will be one Phillips screw to remove. Once you remove that screw, you'll be able to remove the back portion of the center console. If yours is connected to wires, you don't necessarily need to remove the entire piece. You only need to pry it enough to gain access to these 3 screws on top. Simply remove these 3 Phillips screws and the entire armrest portion of the center console will come off. Be sure to save all the screws, as we'll be reusing them later. You'll notice this armrest comes with 2 sets of screws. The 2 thread cutting screws with the small groove notch will be used to connect the top of the armrest to the new storage compartment. And the 2 pointed self-piercing screws will be used to screw in the plastic cap. Now we can place and secure the armrest onto the new JDM storage console with the thread cutting screws. After that, we can connect the plastic back piece into place and line it up with the 2 holes to secure it with the pointed self-piercing screws. Finally, we just need to reinstall everything by reusing the 3 screws we previously used to remove the armrest to secure it into the center console. Then reconnect the back piece of the center console and screw it into place. Lastly, just pop the plastic cover piece into place and we're all done. We now have 2 storage compartments in our center console. Having an extra storage compartment is very convenient, and a wide variety of things can easily fit inside this extra compartment. From our everyday essentials to our everyday essentials. As for the extra levers this armrest provides, it's definitely a little bit more comfortable and usable. However, as a passenger, the JDM dual console armrest is in a great spot for ultimate comfort. After this modification, my car is now ever so slightly a bit more JDM. Thanks, Japan.